Hi everyone, so today just a short little video to show you guys how to use the new Uniquely Creative Edge Distressing tools. Now many years ago, like 18 years ago or 17 years ago, Heidi Swapp had a similar one, was also pink, really nice. I think I still have that one somewhere. This one is very similar, except it has the Uniquely Creative. Obviously they've had this made for their brand because maybe the patent expired for Heidi Swapp, but it is probably one of the best distressing tools that I had ever used. And since you can no longer get the other ones, I'm very grateful that these are back in the country or worldwide. So what do you do with this little tool? Mostly it is only used to distress edges of paper, you know, to give it like a bit of a rough distressed edge. It does make fluff, so when you work with this, remember, if you're not working over a surface that you can wipe off easily, it will cause fluff because you are just simply scraping paper. Now you can just do this very gently, or you can go in with, can you see what I'm doing? I'm kind of forcing it in, and then you can create those awesome kind of V's that people use on mixed media projects. Okay, so here's a smooth edge. You can see I'm simply going in, holding it tightly with my one hand, and then obviously when I need to do that little piece on the edge, I'm sure someone has a better way of doing this, but this is how I've been doing it for many years. And you will simply continue, hold the paper. There, I'm making a little V again. Okay, and I'm going to finish that area there. Now you can mount this onto a project. You can see how you've got those nice little V's, maybe just for good measure. I'll do one on this side as well. Okay, there we go. And then you have just an interesting look if you want to make a distressed page. So these are on promotion at the moment. Make sure that you get yours today. Yeah, so have a fantastic weekend. Thank you for everybody's support and enjoy.